Hi traders, well this is the day 4 of 100 days trading challenge and the date is September 18th Thursday, and on this day I have taken two trades which are only in gold. Okay, I got three opportunity but I took two trades and one hit the small stop loss and another hit the 2:1 target, but even that is 10 times more than what I usually take risk. So let me explain one by one. And see, this is a place that is a first trade opportunity which I did not take. The reason, even the market is coming down, the trend is down. The For me, the bias is down. So this is a trend line. This is a trend line strategy. This is a trend line which I have marked, and this is a liquidity for me. I got this opportunity to take short trade. See clearly, this is the short opportunity here, this candle, but I did not take that trade. Why? The reason is that see the momentum till that trend line, see till that liquidity, see the momentum. Usually, this kind of momentum when it appears the chart, I usually don't take opposite direction. So that's why I did not take this trade. And of course, see, trend is down and bias is down for me. Everything comes under my setup, but just because of this momentum, I don't take trades. That's all. That's my rules. And whenever I take that kind of trade, I usually lose the trade because I practice it so many times. So because of that, I ignored this trade, and it came and it's broken this level swing high. So I marked this trend line by connecting this low and this swing low. I marked this trend line, and at this trend line I got this trade here. Okay, this is a trade. This is also a trade, but there is no liquidity sweep. So but I just avoided this trade and I got this opportunity because see here, read the stop loss actually, and see, this is why I took this trade is you can say this is also not a good setup. The thing is there is no liquidity. This is a liquidity for me as per my strategy, but I took this trade because it touched this trend line, which is not enough for me, but touch trend line and of course taken this liquidity, which is not liquidity. I consider as it is a liquidity, so I took this trade. But there is a big mistake that I have made in this trade, which is this is the swing high. So this is swing high, or we can say this is a resistance for me. So I, even though I know this is a level of rejection, so I took I want to continue, I want to take trade with this continuation, this momentum. So because of that I took this trade, and unfortunately it's the stop loss. So after that I don't have any trade, so there is no trend line. For that I uh, stopped watching the market, and I what I did is I try to watch. I plan to take a trade after news time and 4:30 UA time. So this is okay. This is the news candle. So here I took risk 10 times. Usually I take because there are multiple reason behind this trade. This is the second trade and the last trade for the day 4. The first reason is that we taken the liquidity. Okay, this is a resistance and it rejected this resistance. Second thing is that it formed double top. Second reason, and the third thing is that even though mark news up came, market did not go up. I mean, not a single candle. This is a just a rejection, but this is the candle. So this is a candle. Red candle is the news time. So I plan to take trade below this level, which is stop loss sell entry, and see this is a mark. It taken the liquidity and all the way to came down again. Uh, Given the short term, I mean small retracement to the original news time level. Okay, when the news came, this is the place market opened. I mean market original place, and it came to that level. That is one of new strategy. So from that level, it came all the way to came down. So I decided to take a stop loss sell entry and kept my stop loss 2:1. Hit which this is my entry, and this is my stop loss here, and this is my target. This is my target 46, but I exited here. This is the level I exited here 40. The reason is that this is one of the small support. It broken here, so I when it broke here, I may move my stop loss to break even and kept my target here. Fortunately, and it was very good day for me, and I made around one more than 1.6% of the capital, because in this trade this is my one of master strategy here. This is so usually in this trade I usually take 0.01 lot because it's a learning phase for me, but in this trade I took more than that. This is a $3 trade. I usually take this in this trend line strategy, but here I took $30 trade risk and hit the target very well, and I made up a decent amount of money. And that's all for uh, day 4, and it was fantastic day for me. And tomorrow maybe I'm not going to trade because today I just broke this discipline that I usually take 0.01 lot, but here I took more than that. So for that I need to punish myself. That is why I am not going to trade tomorrow. Because even if I'm not going to trade tomorrow, if I get an opportunity, I will definitely post again YouTube. Okay, that's all for day 4 of 100 days of trading challenge.